Hey, look. Jeez. Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I am back with another video. I'm so glad to be back with you guys today. So I'm not going to take too long. I'm going to hop right in it. This pink bag, if you've been with me for a while, you know this is the Empties bag. This bag was filling up, so I was like, let me go ahead and do this real quick and get this out the way for you guys. So yeah, let's hop right into it. These are my Empties. So this also shows you kind of my phase and the things that I use during the past couple months. So I have these Equate flushable wipes. I've probably been through like 2 or 3 of these since the last empty video. More than that probably. I love those. I think they're better than tissue. I encourage everyone to use those in the bathroom. I finally finished this freaking coconut oil. I've had this coconut oil, I want to say I had this since I went natural, you guys. And that is a long freaking time. But I have finally finished this large thing of coconut oil. And I use that for my hair. And I would mix it into my shea butter mixture for my body. This is Dew Grow Mega Thick Leave-In Grow Strengthener. A lot of these long names. This right here I really love. My natural hair really love this. I used to use pink oil moisturizer when I was relaxed, and I tried to use that on my natural hair. It was a no-go, and plus the ingredients are not that good. Now I can't say the same thing about the ingredients for this, but I must say my hair actually was moisturized with this. Only time I really used this was when I needed to do something with my loose natural hair. So say if it was like matte for a little minute and I wasn't ready to wash it, but I needed to make it what's the word I'm looking for? Be able to manipulate it, then I would use this right here because it would actually make my hair manageable. Now, I'm not sure anything about the making it grow or anything like that. Never followed up any of that. This next is a gentle cleanser. Gentle skin cleanser for all skin types by the brand Perfect Purity. This is knockoff compared to Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, non-irritating formula. This is good, you guys. This is not the one that broke me out. This is Dollar General's knockoff Cetaphil. I repeat, this is not the one that broke me out. This is a very good. It's the same thing as Cetaphil, to be honest. The one without the fragrance. Milk of Magnesia. I've had this one for quite some time here. I never really finished these. They eventually dry out, but I use these as primers. When I do put a primer on my face, I rarely do. I need to really do get a good primer. Y'all let me know some drugstore ones down below. Of course, I always have medicines, and I've been through so many more medicines. I just didn't throw them in here. But these are vitamin B12s. I get these from Dollar Tree. I am now getting my vitamins from Walmart, but yeah, I don't think there was a problem with these. And by B12, if you don't know, is for energy, healthy nerves, and cells. A girl's best friend. Okay, when I turned 30, this became my best buddy. Okay, so I go through these on a regular. Well, not lately, because lately I have been using turmeric. I do take a lot of vitamins. I did make a video on IGTV. Follow me on all my social media networks if you don't already. But that was on there. I have actually added more vitamins and taken out some. So if you want an updated video, let me know. But that can be found on that channel. But instead of the Aleve, I now take turmeric every day and love it. And it's natural. So that's great. So I have a e.l.f. This is the Matte Magic Mist and Set right here. I didn't see any difference between this and the other one. Like, I don't know what the other one was called. This is the matte. The other one was like I have no idea. I think they're the same. I enjoyed both of them. I love that really to put on before my setting spray to take the powdery look away. This is another product from e.l.f. This is their clear brow mascara. I always buy these. I've been buying these for years now. I love them. My eyebrows are not done right now, but just to keep my eyebrow hairs go every way they want to. So this just lays on the hair. And you could also put them on your eyelashes. It won't put any color, but it will get your eyelashes if you want them just to curl up. So that's really good. And it's only $1. I always have the orders in here. I'm pretty sure I didn't even throw all those in there. That is by Dial. Nothing new. Crystal Breeze I can't say that word, so don't even try. Dial Professionals. I actually get this from Dollar Tree, and it has replaced my Dove Deodorant because it's $1 and it works. I haven't had any problems with it. Next, this is from Avon. This is a Moisture Boost SPF 15 Daily Moisturizing Cream. I really enjoyed this. It came with a nighttime partner. When I tell you I scraped the hell out of this is probably so expired, y'all. It don't make no sense. But I really thoroughly enjoyed that product. I went back looking for it. I did not see it, so I don't know what's up with that. But like I said, I bought that so long ago. Another empty that I always have here. Excuse me, there's oil on this. But this is one of Black Radiance pressed powder. This has always been a A1 product for me. This is in the color Mocha. I do go throughout different colors. I have Mocha, I have chocolate, I have ebony. I actually did not get to ebony this year. I did not get that dark, and that kind of surprised me. So Mocha and chocolate has really been my colors for the year. Make sure you follow them online. Sign up for their emails, because they have this. They do it like, I think like they've done it two times already this year when they've done those for $1. Honey, I don't care what color they got. I get them. Okay. This is Simply Sailing, which I had. Wish I had a refill of this right now because my sinuses are killing me. But this is my Hammer Simply Sailing Nasal Relief. And it's exactly what it said. It's just Simply Sailing. I really do enjoy this. I try to catch them when Dollar Tree has them for $1 because they are normally $5. And I'm not trying to pay that. So that's why I haven't gotten a refill of that yet. Empty package of cotton rounds. Nothing special about these. I bought, I did not decide to buy these again. I bought the square ones this time. And I think I'm going to end up just going back to the little cotton ball ones. I don't know. I'm not really feeling them. But they were just something cheap, $1. And then I also have some empties of my Smile Brilliant teeth whitening gel. If you go back a couple of videos, several videos, I did a giveaway for their teeth whitening system. I really did enjoy this product. I do still have more of these left, and I will be doing another round of these one day when I feel like it. So yeah, guys, that is all my empties. I wanted to get those out for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon as I can to also do favorites, because I have a lot of new favorites that I need to share with you guys that are not empties yet. So yeah, it's me, your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media networks, you guys. I appreciate you so much for subscribing. I truly appreciate for you guys hanging in there with me. And until the next time, don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches.